Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start exponent and powers worksheet number 5, question number 9, simplify. So as we know that we have to first solve the brackets, okay, then we have to make all these negative powers positive. So let us start. So first question is this one. So we know that if one base is having two powers, then both the powers will be multiplied. 2 multiplied by 3 multiply 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 4, 3 raised to the power minus 1 into 1 upon 6. Now in next step, 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2 3s are 6 multiply by next we have to make this power positive. So make this power positive, we have to make the reciprocal of this base, which is 3 upon 2 raised to the power 4. Similarly over here we have to make it reciprocal 1 into 1 upon 6. Now what we are going to do, we are going to open all these powers. So 2 upon 3 raised to the power 6 means we are multiplying 2 upon 3 6 times. Okay, so it is 6 times 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then 3 upon 2 raised to the power 4 means 4 times, and 1 upon 3 1 time, and 1 upon 6. Now whatever the terms cancel it. 3 3 3 and 3. Okay, now 2 4 and 1 2 3 4. Now rest of the terms, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. That's it. So in our numerator there is only one term, 2 1s are 1, 1s are okay, 2 upon 3 3s are, we are left with 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So multiply all. 2 upon 3 3s are 9, 9 into 9, 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. So which is equal to 2 upon 81. So it is your answer. Clear? Now second, same. Now in the first question it was only simplify, so we have simplified it. Now in next question, find the reciprocal of. So first we have to solve the term which is given to us, then whatever the answer will come we have to make the reciprocal of that. Reciprocal means whatever the term will be in the numerator we have to do that in the denominator, and whatever the term in the denominator will be we have to make it in the numerator. So let us start again. So as we know that negative terms we cannot solve, so we have to take the reciprocal of this base, which is 2 upon 1 raised to the power 2. Divide sign will be as it is. Over here also 3 upon 2 raised to the power 3. Now 2 square, 2 upon 1 means 2 simply 2 square. अगर मैं डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं बच्चे, ठीक है, सो जो आपका नेक्स्ट नंबर है बेस, दैट विल बिकम रेसिप्रोकल विच इज 2 upon 3 raised to the power 3. Now 2 square, open the powers. 2 square means you are multiplying 2 times. 2 cube 3 times upon 3 is also for 3 times. So now multiply all the numerators. ठीक है, over here it is 1 and 1. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32 upon 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So it is your answer. Clear? But what is being asked, you have to find out the reciprocal. So ये आपका first answer आया. So reciprocal you will write in the next step. Reciprocal of 32 upon 27 will be equal to 27 upon 32. So this is your answer. Clear? Now next question. In this question also you have to find out the reciprocal. So 2 upon 5 cube. Let us start. 2 upon 5 cube into 5 upon 4 square. So what we have to do, all the terms are positive. So हमें कुछ भी reciprocal करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है. So हम simply cube and square को open करेंगे. 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 5 multiply by 5 upon 4. How many times? 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. 4 will cancel with this. 1 5, second 5. So you are left with in the numerator only 2, and in the denominator 5 4s are 20. So what will be the reciprocal now? Reciprocal will be 20 upon 2. So this is your answer. You can write this term in the mixed fraction also. Okay. Now next question, very simple. express the following rational numbers with the positive exponents. Exponent means this term. आपने क्या करना है, इसको पॉजिटिव बनाना है, ठीक है. तो पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए हमें बेस को क्या करना पड़ेगा, रेसिप्रोकल. द टर्म विच इज इन द न्यूमिनेटर दैट विल कम इन द डिनोमिनेटर एंड द टर्म विच इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर दैट विल कम इन द न्यूमिनेटर. सिंपल. सो इट विल बी 2/3 raised to the power 4. So this is your answer. Second part, first multiply these two powers. One base is having two powers, so it will be 3 raised to the power minus 3 into 2, 3 raised to the power minus 6. Now we have to make this power positive, so we have to take the reciprocal of the base, which is 1/3 raised to the power 6. So it is your answer. Okay. Now next part, again one base is having two powers, both the powers will be multiplied. Minus 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now 5/8 raised to the power minus 6. अब इस minus 6 को आपने पॉजिटिव बनाना है. सो पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए what you have to do, you have to take the reciprocal of this base. So 8/5 raised to the power 6. This is your answer. Now fourth part, again similar, 5/2. ठीक है, नेगेटिव पावर है, नेगेटिव को हमने पॉजिटिव बनाना है. सो पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए वी हैव टू टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस बेस. 3 into 2/5, ये ऑलरेडी आपके पास पॉजिटिव है, सो आप इसको वैसे ही रखेंगे. नाउ ओपन इट. 5/2 into 5/2 into 5/2, 3 टाइम्स क्यूब था, 3 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया एंड इट इज 5 टाइम्स. 2/5, 2/5, 2/5, 2/5 एंड लास्ट अगेन 2/5. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So you are left with 2 2s are 4/5 5s are 25. So this is your answer. ठीक है, हमने इसको फर्दर सॉल्व कर दिया. अदरवाइज द क्वेश्चन इज यू हैव टू राइट द रैशनल नंबर विद द पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट्स. सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज 2/5 होल स्क्वायर. 2 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड 5 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 25. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट 7 स्क्वायर इंटू 1/7 रेज टू द पावर 3. 7 into 7/7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7. These two will cancel, so you are left only with 1/7 or 1/7 raised to the power plus 1. Okay. Now over here 8 cube. 8 cube means you are multiplying 8 how many times? 3 times. So let us write down. Divided by 8 raised to the power 5 means 5 times 8. Multiply by negative power, we have to make it positive, so take the reciprocal. 8 raised to the power 4 means you are multiplying 8 4 times. Now cancel it. 3 3. Now 1/1 2 3 4 5 6. 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8, 3 5 and 6, or it can be written as 1/8 raised to the power 6. ओके. पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स की बात ये कर रहा था, एक्सपोनेंट आपका जो है पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. सो पॉजिटिव पावर में लिखने के लिए जैसे यहाँ पर हमारा आंसर आया 4/25, सो इट कैन बी फर्दर रिटन एज 2/5 होल स्क्वायर. फाइन. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग रैशनल नंबर्स विद द नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट्स. नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट्स मतलब अब जो पावर है आपके पास पॉजिटिव होगी, उसको आपने क्या बनाना है, नेगेटिव. सो क्या करेंगे आप यहाँ पे, सी 1/7 रेज टू द पावर 5. नेगेटिव पावर बनाने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस बेस, सो विच इज 7 रेज टू द पावर -5. इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, one base is having two powers, so 3 raised to the power 2 into 9, those will be multiplied. 3 raised to the power 18. Now इस पॉजिटिव पावर को आपने नेगेटिव बनाना है, टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द बेस विच इज -1/3 raised to the power -18. Now next 5 cube. Okay, over here we can apply the law. Bases are same, you are multiplying the numbers, powers will be added, so it is 5 raised to the power 3 plus 2, 5 raised to the power 5. अब इस पॉजिटिव पावर को आपने नेगेटिव बनाना है. ठीक है. सो वी हैव टू टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस बेस, सो विच इज 1/5 raised to the power -5. So this is your answer. Okay. Now next question, one base is having two powers, so it is -8/9 raised to the power 3 2s are 6. So it is -8/9 raised to the power 6. Now what you have to do, you have to make this power negative. So negative बनाने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, you have to take the reciprocal of this base which is minus 9/8 raised to the power minus 6. जब आपने बेस का रेसिप्रोकल लिया तो ऑब्वियसली आपकी जो पावर है दैट विल बिकम नेगेटिव. ठीक है, सिंपल. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन ओवर हियर. ओके, सो 5/7 क्यूब एंड मल्टीप्लाई. अब अगर मैंने डिवाइड के प्लेस पे बेटा मल्टीप्लाई लगा दिया तो जो आपका नेक्स्ट नंबर है दैट विल बिकम रेसिप्रोकल 7/5 स्क्वायर. नाउ 5/7 ओपन इट. 5/7 5/7 3 times and 7/5 7/5 7/5. Sorry, it is only 2 times. ठीक है. Now 7 7 they will cancel, 5 5 they will cancel. You are left only with 5/7 raised to the power 1. और अब आपने इस पावर को नेगेटिव बनाना है, so you have to take the reciprocal 7/5 raised to the power minus 1. This is your answer. Clear? And last part, this one. This question. Last part I am doing over here. 2 raised to the power 6. Divide means next number will become reciprocal 1/2 raised to the power 5 inside the bracket into 2 square. Now 2 raised to the power 6 means you are multiplying 2 how many times? 6 times upon 2 raised to the power 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 multiply by 2 into 2 which is 2 square. Now cancel 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. You are left only with 2 into 2 into 2 or 2 cube. ठीक है, और नेगेटिव बनाना है पावर को, so it will be 1/2 raised to the power minus 3. So that was all about your worksheet number 5. Okay, with this your worksheet is complete. So that's all for today. Thank you.